This is Anil Kumar here. In this video, I would like to show you a quick demo of Forge snippets extension, which I created for Visual Studio Code for basically for Forge UI components. Let me switch to my Visual Studio Code, and you can find the extension here, snippets. As you can see here, I've already installed, and it's basically shortcuts for the Forge UI components. And with just only few characters, you can just populate the UI components. Why I created this? Because I was constantly switching from my editor to the Forge UI documentation. I thought it would be a nice idea to have instantly see what's that component is about in the editor itself. And also, you know that Forge UI components or Forge UI apps are easy to develop quickly. I thought let's make this Forge UI snippets extension, which you can build the apps much even more faster. So let me show you in the action. I've already installed. I'm on my index.jsx page, and if I just press F, you're going to see that list of components are suggested for me. For example, F button, it's a button component. Buttons are used as a trigger for actions. You can see the more details, and you can also see what code it contains. With just one clicking enter, my button component is there. And similarly, I think it's get more powerful when you have components with a lot more children. Let's take, for example, that's a form. So you can see a form component, and you can read about this component and how does the code looks like. So with just one click, you're going to have your code component for form. And similarly, like it can be for model dialog. And in this way, you don't have to go to documentation. You can stay in the editor itself, and you also get to know the other advantages, or what's the default properties, and what all the things you can make with that. So let me show you a few more examples. Like, for example, you can create a code component, and you can create some link component. So in this way, you can quickly add the Forge UI components to your Forge UI apps to make your development even much faster. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any feedback, please share it with me, and give it a try. Install it and give it a try, and you can see the documentation here, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.